man, the youth are creative. An idea, somebody get him, make him build a couple of these, and him can him go a racetrack. Yeah man. Handcart race. Market it. Make some money. Yeah.
Yeah, man. I guarantee you, if you never dead, you can find a button for them somewhere. Let's look for the family member.
Yeah, my family member.
Where should go? Where should go?
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Take my boat, man. This is a Mantic data. We have the, you know that place at all. Our data this. Mantic, we have the Flower Town. Mantic man with Flower Town.
Yeah, show you Michael again.
Yeah, one place at Avato. Yeah, man, I have a place at Avato. Yeah, man. But why father me wait for now? Yeah, man, let's go to a funeral, man. Big up, man.
So bad, me not lie. When we see Michael Jackson one, where there? See it there?
Yeah, man.
Man got Michael Jackson funeral.
Yeah, man.
You see?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Watch man so. Watch it. Watch it. And this one not start yet. Yeah, man. Man so bad, man.
Yeah, man. Big up, man.
Big up, man.
Big up, my baby.
Let's see it.
This your man, a walking graveside. A walking cemetery. In true definition, I living dead. I got nothing else to say.
Yes, this can got them there right now. I know if I put them papa, we couldn't take out. See how we take out it. Like this shabba only 250 there. Nothing beat your boy, nothing. Even bad mind. Go and bossy place. Go bossy place shabba ranks. Alright, sir. That is shabba, sir.
No, father. I don't know what is this, but this is not it. I don't know, but I wouldn't be eating that. I know say a rum cause this. And me just know say and a JB. A Jerry and nephew do this.
No for me bar, girl, no for me bar, girl, no for me bar, girl, no for me. Cause when me live a country and me alone used to spar. Me buy a bicycle to me have to walk far. Till one day me a come from outer Rosal. Me walk a country girl, no by the name of Guy. This is privilege to me got this so me sing it too far. The girl start tell me what we come to it. Me say giant you die, why you come to what? Just to me not no carry up on me bicycle man. This is privilege for my day I go like superstar. To your bicycle there's a post your own car. Me say listen to me die, nobody go and road. Cause in this language them me not use. You can't walk in and none of me girl shoes. Why this you should know me free choose and refuse.
Many things are for sure. And one of them is Jamaica, full of talent. And you see that rum, it bring out the talent.
Jesus Christ. Me I tell you now.
Let's do the maths. What that? $523 divided by 150. That's $3.50 US, basically. Now, one tomato is 50 cents. And you can get it cheaper different places. But say 50 cents. 50 cents. We grow tomato yard. We grow tomato in Jamaica. How is it that one tomato costs 7 times the amount? It don't make sense. 50 cents for a tomato. $3.50 feet at Jamaica. Come on, Mr. Prime Minister. Do something. This is a funny channel, but this is no joke.